What's up guys, it's Nash here and welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. Now in today's video, I'll be showing you guys the best OBS settings to use to record your gameplay or your PC screen in 2019. And these settings can record up to 60 FPS, which is cool. So the next thing I want to talk about is that my microphone won't connect to my PC, so there's no way I can show you guys the tutorial like how to do it like step by step. You guys understand what I'm trying to say? But what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you guys my settings on the screen, and that will be coming up in a few seconds. But one thing again I want to say before I show you guys the settings so you guys can copy them on my screen is that people say OBS don't work. It doesn't work. Like, if it doesn't work for you, don't say it's bad. It's because your PC is bad. So you need to upgrade your RAM or your graphics card in order for it to work well. But yeah, without saying much and wasting your time, let's get right into the video. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If this video helped you, make sure you drop a like and please subscribe. But if you didn't learn anything from the video, then be sure to hit that dislike button. Trust me when I say all correct opinions are making me better. It makes me understand what you guys want. But yeah, please hit the like button, please subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. I'm an icon, man. My girl about a 10. I should fuck her in the Benz.